Becoming an Exness social trading investor allows you to invest in the strategies of experienced traders. Here's how to get started. Create an Exness account. First, sign up for an Exness trading account if you haven't already. You can register on their official website by providing your personal details and verifying your identity. Deposit funds. To participate in social trading, deposit funds into your Exness account. You can use various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and e-wallets, depending on your location. Access the social trading section. Once your account is set up and funded, log into your Exness account and navigate to the social trading section on the platform or app. This section features different trader profiles. Select a trader to follow. Browse through a list of experienced traders available for social trading. You can filter them by performance metrics such as profit, risk level, and trading style. Select a trader whose strategy aligns with your investment goals. Invest in their strategy. After selecting a trader, you can invest a portion of your funds in their trading strategy. The trader's profits or losses will reflect in your account based on your investment. Monitor your investment. Monitor your investment's performance in real time and make adjustments as necessary.